Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can make a banner for a Shopify store inside of Canva. Now, to create the banner, the first thing that you need is to determine the banner size dimensions, okay? And this can vary significantly depending on your specific Shopify theme and where you intend to place the banner, for example, in the homepage area or the collection page. So the first thing that I recommend you do is actually check your Spotify or your Shopify rather themes documentation or customization settings for recommended banner size. Okay, so just come to Google here and just look for Shopify theme documentation. Just open the first link and follow these steps here. You should go to your online store, themes, and then click on customize. Click on the three dots menu and click on view documentation. Okay. That being said, common dimensions often range from 1,200 pixels, or this is exactly what we're going to do here. Okay, we're going to create a custom size banner. So let's actually go to the homepage of Canva and let's click on custom size here. And now we're just going to use the dimensions that I told you before. Okay, 1,200 times 400 pixels in height, and we're just going to create a new design here. Great. Now, from here, you can basically import like a template, which is going to be already made for you, and you can edit it further, okay? This is an option that I would recommend to you because, it lets you personalize a lot of the details, and they're pretty good already. But if you actually want to make it from scratch, what we have to do is we need to customize our banner by, first of all, we have to upload an image, like a background image, right? For that, what I'm just going to do is I'm going to upload a file here, which is this coffee image, and I'm going to drag it. Okay, and what I have to do now is I have to adjust it to the canvas size, okay, which is going to take me a while actually, so I'm going to skip this forward. But yeah, we just have to make sure that you place the image near the center and that you scale it until it covers the full thing here. Kind of like that. That to me looks good enough, I think. So I'm just going to keep it like this. I think this is perfect actually. So great. Now we just have to come to the text panel here and we must add our store name, our tagline, our promotional message, whatever, or a call to action. For example, I'm just going to add in here, a text box and I'm going to say shop now, okay? And you want to make this, contrast. So you want to turn this into a bold font and you want to make this, because of the colors of the thing here, you want to make this white, I believe actually. And of course, you want to increase the size to a certain section, to 60 or 54. That's good. And you can also change the font. I'm going to place it here, actually. I think it's going to look better. And I'm going to change the font to, I don't know, something like yeah. So, for example, like a Montserrat font. That's going to be good. I also recommend that you add, for example, your own logos and your own colors, and you can come to the brand section here, but this is actually a paid feature and you don't really need it. You can just upload your logo as a regular image and you can drag it here, and that's going to work just as fine. Now, something that I think you should do to this image, of course, is to edit the background, because for me right now it looks too bright. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to click the background image, we're going to go to edit, and now you're basically going to, first of all, you want to adjust the brightness and the contrast. So I'm just going to lower the brightness a little bit. I'm going to adjust the contrast a little bit too. And then I want to come and I want to give it that vignette effect. So I'm just going to increase this vignette effect until it looks like this, for example. If you go back to the settings here, to the adjust settings, what you can do also is you can give it a certain filter, like this, for example. And I think this looks really good. Some of them, of course, okay? So just pick something that you like and that it fits with your, coffee theme in this case, like this one, for example. Now, after you have finished with this banner, it's time to share it. So just come to this button here, just click on share, and you can share it with basically with other users, with your group, for example, or you can, even better, download it as a file, which is going to be useful for then uploading to Shopify. So just click on download here and always select PNG. This is the best quality. Size, you gotta pick to 1 because it doesn't let you unless you have like a pro plan. And never choose this option. Never choose compressed file, lower quality. And just click on download, and that's gonna be it. Thank you so much, guys.